YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, welcome back. Another video, more fun, more stuff to do. A lot of cool parts came in for Oren. And boy, did my old job kill the paint job on this. So what we were waiting for with Oren was the front bumper, the side skirts, the front lip, and the grill. So it had a lot of flaws in those areas. So I wanted, because the side skirts didn't match. You guys remember the video where I was showing the distinct color difference and how we prepped all the body stuff. But yeah, we've got everything back and it's time to install. I put the radio in it yesterday. It sounds good. The only thing is it doesn't have like a USB port. But I'm not going out. Listen, whoever wins the car can change the radio. But I know it works. Yeah. Let's kick ass, man. I'm glad you're here with me. I hope you're all watching in good health. Let's start gunning. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Boss Don 40 with the hip hop. My boy's hurt, man. He's got arthritis in his thigh. Where? 40 right here?
Like that.
He's got arthritis in his thigh. We've been trying. Yeah, that's from the paper. That's from the paper. We've been trying to get him right. I took him to the hospital. He's on some medication. I think it's just a whole bunch of. I think it's it's swollen and whatnot. And we've got him some anti-inflammatory. But he's trying to gun. My boy's trying to gun. He's gonna be all right. So this is it right here. These were in horrible shape, guys. Horrible shape. The front lip was the worst because it just had like dead paint on dead paint, and it was flexing. But I'd like to show you guys a little bit of a close up here. Everything is exactly how we wanted it. Nice Type R white. Using the, what's real weird is that the side skirts and the lip were this color. No, I have clips here.
You have one?
Yeah. But use those too. We might be able to use those. We only need to use these 40. The front bumper was in horrible shape. We got that all crispy and fresh. But yeah, we're gonna start installing the body panels and this body stuff on here. And I wanted to share it with you. So let's have some fun. Hey guys, side note real quick. One of the best things I've purchased this year so far. This organizer here for bolts and everything. It is so easy to locate things. Side note. So I'll tell you when. That's good right there. So I was looking for clips. I have it in here. I organized everything. I'm going to buy one more so I can empty out this guy right here. And you can never have enough. You can never have enough bolts or screws or whatever you need. But if I'm looking for 10 millimeters, I got it right here. Long, short. If I'm looking for 10 millimeter nuts, I got it right here. Then go down to 12. I got some screws here. Got 19s here. 17s here. Short 17s. Miscellaneous stuff. Hose and worm clamps, all that stuff. Flywheel bolts here. Washers here. 12 nut. You get the gist. $22 at Home Depot. It's the best 22 I've spent this year. I'm going to get one more. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do right now is just put these clips in here, these pesky clips, but they're very easy to use. You just push them into here, and what you want to do is, whenever you take these out, they're just simply slide. You know what I mean? You just slide them out, and that's how you can remove them from the car. So I'm going to be missing a few because I don't have all of them. It normally takes 8 per side skirt. But I have, this one is real weird. But I have enough. I have 13, so I'm going to be missing 5. but that's fine. I'll put it at like the key crucial points.
Hey, my
And
man.
that's it.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of recording. But yeah, I got the side skirts pretty much where I need them to be. Let me just see if I can divide these clips. I got 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 2, 4, 6. So it'll be 7 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so one's going to have more than the other. So here we go. Put this here in the middle. We'll do the other side. Alright, that's one I put on off camera on the driver's side. I'll do the other side on camera because the lighting will be better. I'll be facing the other way. But there it is. Nice and crispy, all the same color. Before that, white wasn't matching.
Got it?
No?
No.
Okay, right there. Hold on.
Good?
Yep, right there. Push this in. Okay, so now we're going to install the front lip. And what I didn't want to do was just put like self-tappers in it. Honestly, you're not going to buy a better lip than the Type R front lip. So we're going to rivet them on 2 ends. We already have the holes, you know, all done already. So me and 40 are going to rivet 2 on each side. So how does this go here? This way. So lift up the bumper. Slide that puppy on. Now what we don't want to do is scratch it. How you look? You got to move it up. Remember, it flexes a little. All right, so let me put one in here just to hold it. Hold the rivet. That's there. Okay, watch it. Watch yourself. Okay, so let's put that down. Come up this way. Okay.
Got it?
I got one. Yep. I got you. I got you. Just making sure.
Okay, go ahead. Ready, gentlemen.
Let's line up the other. Let's just line it up first. Let it go a little bit. Good. You have the other one in your mouth. Pause. Pausey. Go ahead. Forty working on a hip, on a bad limp. Okay, so next thing I want to do before scratching anything, I'm just going to use some, masking tape. Just going to put it on the edges here, just along the line, so I don't make any mistakes. Put that there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to be right. That's it. We'll put that along the body line of the fender. We'll mask up the other side. That's it. So she wrote, boys. I can't wait to see how this car looks when we pull it outside. How everything looks intact. Pull that tape up a little bit so we don't end up having it in between the bumper. We've got all our clips here. I'm gonna make a bolt and wire bolt and washer kit for the bumper because I just never want it to be a problem. So pretty good body lines here. Big shout out to my boy Sean. My man right there. Gunner came by and helped out. But the body line looks mint. So we'll put on the grill next. Look at that. Not bad. Little gap here, but I can't fix that very much. But all in all, it's starting to come out right. Show you guys right there. Next is the grill. So on the bumper now, just going to put these rubber clips in. That's it. So 3 go into here. I don't know why I'm doing this like a DIY. I'm just going along as I talk. But I figure the more information, the better. That's in, nice and sturdy. This bumper won't be flapping around or anything like that. And then the grill just gets held up by 2. So I put this guy on here nice and neat. How did this go? Oh yeah, it clips into these 3 here. These guys. That's all she wrote. Since this was held up, carbon flexes, so that's why you see that up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit outside for a little bit in some heat. Hopefully some sun comes out and see if this actually just sinks down. If you understand what I'm talking about with carbon, you understand. But how's she looking, boys? How is she looking? I can't wait to see it outside. Let's get it outside. Maricón. That's how it looks outside on the ground. Wash it up, polish it up. I got this molding from Honda. It's inside on the table over there. Somewhere over there. Yeah, on the table. Gonna probably ask like a windshield guy to come through. But it's looking good, man. It's looking really good. I can't wait to raffle this car off and see who ends up with it. See what life we change. I told you guys about the radio. I went ahead and swapped that. So the radio does work now. Let's see, I don't want to get hit with no claws on YouTube, so we'll just play it for a little bit. And that's it, yeah. But yeah, the interior is almost 10 out of 10. I just got to figure out something here to have this hold up. But it's almost flawless in here. It's almost flawless. Steering wheel's in the back. I don't want to keep touching it with my hands because it's suede. But everything is money. Everything is crispy. Fires right up. Can't wait to get it tuned. Yeah. But she's almost ready, guys. She's almost ready, boys. Still got to actually polish the car too. Still have to polish. I love this plate frame. I love this plate frame right here. Hold on. Oh my God. It goes so well with the car. It goes so well with the car. But yeah, there it is. Check out the AK on the stance. Check out the AK on the stance though. My boy. My boy. I'm going to do a review and a decision on this ASAP. But yeah. Polished, clean, and that's it. Give you some views of it. Give you some views of it, boys. Guys, as always, man, thank you for your appreciation. Like, comment, subscribe. Big shout out to my boy Derek. He's always with Jimmy Oaks. I appreciate the shirt, man. Thank you so much. I didn't want it for free. I wanted to support him. I sent them my money, and that's the way that it should be. If you really rock with a person and they sell merch and that's how their hustle is right there to continue into the sport, then you support them. If you feel like he's going to be a beneficial friend and always help you out and never say no, support him even more. So thank you, Derek, for this awesome shirt. I appreciate it. And yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about Oren, how it looks so far. Keep gunning.